Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PandaDoc for AI proposal generation automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in pandadoc.com and press enter. Once the PandaDoc homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will find various features. Look for the option labeled Proposals on the left-hand menu. Click on Proposals to explore the proposal creation tools available. To set up AI proposal generation, locate the Create Proposal button. Click on Create Proposal to begin the automation process. You will now have the option to choose a template or start from scratch. Select a template that suits your needs or initiate a new proposal. As you work on your proposal, utilize the AI features to streamline content generation. Follow the prompts to customize your proposal according to your specific requirements. Once you are satisfied with the proposal, click on the Save button to ensure your progress is stored. Review the final proposal for any additional edits before finalization. When ready, proceed to send the proposal through the available sharing options. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into PandaDoc and set up AI proposal generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.